Okay, before we begin, we want to thank you for taking your time to watch this pre-recorded orientation session before summer orientation. While viewing the recording, please jot down any questions or comments you have and bring your questions with you when you come. You can either go ahead and bring those questions with you when you come to campus, or you can use our contact information on the last slide to reach out to us directly. Okay, ready? Let's get started. The title of the session is Data Collection within the UI Reach program. My name is Erica Kaldenberg, and I'm a UI Reach Associate Research Scientist within our program. I joined the UI Reach team in 2015 after completing my PhD in special education. So most of my work within the UI Reach program involves program evaluation, research, and grants. So what do these three have in common? I think I hear it. You're right. Data, 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 data. Yay. You're right. They all include data. Now, I'm not exactly sure if it's data or whatever. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. But now you are part of the UI Reach family. And as part of the UI Reach family, you're also part of the University of Iowa. And here at the University of Iowa, research, scholarship, and creative activities play a vital role in Iowa's mission. And truthfully, without research, scholarship, and creative activities, the UI Reach program and other similar transition programs in the country would not exist today. Now, question. Research, scholarship, and creative activities, they also have a common thread. What is it? Oh, yes. Are you beginning to see a theme of today's presentation? Now, I'm not sure if I can get everybody to sing and dance along to our Data Hey, Data Yay song, but by the end of this presentation, I want you each to be able to, 1, explain 3 reasons why the UI Reach program collects data. 2, describe how any data that are shared outside of the UI Reach program do not and will not identify who the data came from. And 3rd, we want each of you to be able to understand that you have a choice to decide if we can share your data outside the UI Reach program or not. Objective number 1, explain 3 reasons why the UI Reach program collects data. Number 1, we collect data in order to meet individualized needs. Now, these aren't in any order in particular, but our UI Reach mission states that we are cultivating individualized supports and opportunities that promote advocacy and success in everyday life. Data helps us meet people's needs. We also collect data in order to improve our program. We want to make sure we know what we're doing works. And last, we want to make sure that our students are successful and our parents and guardians are happy. So we collect data in order to tell others about UI Reach. Now you might be saying, what does this look like? For example, if we want to tell our teachers, parents, future students, policymakers, university administration that UI Reach changes lives, we need data. We need to be able to share our employment outcome data with policymakers. We need parents to understand that our employment rate of our UI Reach graduates is 4 times higher than those individuals with disabilities who do not go to college. So data is important. It helps us tell our story. In summary, we collect data in order to improve our programming, meet individual needs, and tell others about UI Reach. Before we move on to objective 2, though, I would like to review an important concept. So when we collect data in order to meet people's needs, to ensure our students and families are happy, that's called program evaluation. But when we take that data and we want to share it out with folks, that is called research. And so in order for us to conduct research, we need to make sure that we have your permission. So we use data to make our UI Reach program better. But also we want to tell other people about what we're doing. And again, when we do that, it is called research. The University of Iowa requires students, parents, guardians, alumni to consent to participating in research in order for us to share that data. So remember, you are part of the University of Iowa. You are a Hawkeye, and the University of Iowa and the UI Reach program value, utilize, and aim to contribute to meaningful research. When we are collecting data and we're sharing data outside of the program, that's research. But when we share research, it is important to remember we do not share where the information comes from. Moving on to objective 2. Describe how data shared outside of the UI Reach program do not and will not identify who the data came from. So all data are de-identified if shared. De-identified, what does that mean? Our little friend here kind of gives us a definition. Take a minute to read it. So basically, de-identified means that all names are removed so that there is no way to figure out exactly who it is we're talking about. So here's an example of de-identified data. You do not see anybody's name. Okay, moving right ahead. On to objective 3. So objective 3, understand that you have the choice to decide if we can share your data outside of the UI Reach program. That's it. That's all we have to do for objective 3. Yes, that is it. So again, our little friend here says, hey, I can remember that. That's because I am so cool. I've always known data are cool like me. Okay, quick check here. Now, before we go, let's make sure you understand. If we choose to share your data, what do we need? We need your permission. It is your choice if we share your information. Here's another check. True or false? In research publications, student or parent names are included. Are included. Think about it. Do we share student and parent names when sharing our research? The answer? False. No, we do not share student and parent names to people outside of the UI Reach program. And going back to objective 1, what are 3 reasons why the UI Reach program collects data? And these are in no particular order, but we collect data to make sure we are meeting individual student needs and family needs. Number 2, we want to make the UI Reach program better. We are committed to continuous improvement. And number 3, we want to tell others about the UI Reach program and the successes of our students. So now looking forward, later this summer, you will receive some information of our recent and upcoming data collection activities. Then I will also see you at summer orientation. That'll probably be our next stopping point. And at summer orientation, parents, students, you will have the opportunity to come find me and we can talk about our UI Reach data collection activities and you can ask any questions. Then later, you will receive our annual UI Reach research bulletin via email. This bulletin will include more information on our specific data collection activities for the upcoming school year, as well as a discussion about our ongoing data collection efforts. This bulletin will also review our process for sharing additional and optional research opportunities with you and your family. Then we'll meet up again during fall check-in. When you move into the residence halls, you will have the opportunity to review our data collection activities and to sign consent forms if you choose to do so. Just a quick note, if you're a student or you have a guardian and you choose to sign a consent form, we will just need your guardian to sign one as well. Well, we'll be continuing this conversation about research and data collection throughout our time and your time at UI Reach, but please know you can reach out to me anytime with any questions or concerns. Thank you again for your time today. You rock. My name is Erica Kaldenberg. I'm an associate research scientist with the UI Reach program, and I think I have the best job in the world. I can't wait to meet each and every one of you. Again, if you have questions, reach out and tell them. Keep shining and go Hawks.